Now, a cut to the ear is common in many animals. I know this is a big problem with cats because they'll jump around, climb through fences, and sometimes they can get their ears caught, or maybe they're fighting with another cat or dog and end up getting their ears cut. So the problem with the ear cuts is they can bleed a lot. There's also other problems because the blood is then running down, it can get inside the ear. The dog then doesn't like that because it's not very pleasant. So it shakes its head, therefore it exposes the wound and then healing, and it bleeds and bleeds and bleeds. So an injury like this, Collaclot's ideal for, because you can take a piece of Collaclot, lay it over the ear and fold it round, and you can then hold that in place. So you've now got the whole of the Collaclot around the injury site, and you can hold that in place so it's nice and firmly on the cut. We can wait for that to react, stop the bleeding. Again, remember, promoting healing the whole time. So it holds it in place, and then you just leave that for a little bit. At least it stops the bleeding. Now, if you didn't use Collaclot on an injury like this, you can still treat it. You can put different bandages on, but the key thing with this is it's straight away promoting healing and stopping the bleed. So rather than other systems, you're worried about where the ear is, and it's in there and it's safe. So we've now got it safe, we've stopped the bleed. We can then just bandage that in place, just using a conventional bandage or using the cohesive bandage, hold that in place on the head, and then we've got a dressing which is secure. The bleeding has already stopped on the transit to the vets. We can get them to the vets, and then the vets can do their thing and stitch it up and get the dog well on its way to recovery.